Perfect. Perfect. So hopefully everyone here can see this. So it's very simple, guys, how the Swipe Coin and how the Swipe Trade app works. So as you can see right over here, okay, I got MetaTrader 4 right in between Swipe Trades app and also Swipe Coin. In this example, we're actually going to be using the Swipe Coin app. All right. We click this here and we see that we receive a trade signal. So the way it works is we have top tier experts that are analyzing the markets and identifying different trading opportunities, all right? And they communicate to us using the Swipe Trades app if it's for generic currencies, and use the Swipe Coin app if we're talking crypto, okay? If we're gonna be trading crypto. So when you receive a signal, okay, you click the notification, you'll be brought to this screen over here. Now you could decide whether you want to accept or decline the trade. If you decline, just simply swipe left. That's why we call it Swipe Coin. That's why we call the other app Swipe Trades, because you get to swipe left to decline, swipe right to accept the trade. Now when you accept the trade, you see over here, okay, the currency pair. All right, you'll see that it's a buy limit and you are given the three most important prices you need to trade anything, all right, in the Forex or crypto markets, okay? When we're talking specifically MetaTrader 4 platform, that's the entry price, the stop loss, and the take profit. So I'm gonna show you guys how simple this is. So we know we're looking for Bitcoin USD, okay? We know it's a buy limit. So first, let's click on MetaTrader 4. Is Bitcoin USD. Right over here, we're going to click on trade. All right. Now we already know, okay, just so you guys can see, we know it's a buy limit. So we click on buy limit. All right. We go right over to entry price 1. And we're going to click the clipboard that you see right over here. And it's automatically going to copy the data. All right. So we're going to go back. We're going to click on price, clear this out over here, paste. Click on this, clear it out. All right, now we're going to put in the stop loss number, which is the safety net. So we're going to go right over here to this clipboard, right on stop loss. Click that. It's going to automatically copy, and then we paste. All right. Now we're going to click over here in the take profit space. We're going to clear this thing out. They give us numbers automatically, so just clear those out. All right, go with take profit 1 over here. And we just put those numbers in there. All right. Now, if the trade is valid, okay, if the trade setup is valid, you will see this place button over here highlighted in blue. You simply click that, and now you are in the trade. This is actually very, very simple to just copy and paste in order for you to potentially make profit. So same thing with the Swipe Trades app. All right, we click on Swipe Trades app. All right. The experts are going to analyze everything. Okay. They're going to identify trading setups. And this is for regular currencies as opposed to cryptocurrencies. Okay. So again, swipe left to decline, swipe right to accept. We're going to swipe right to accept. Same thing, guys. All right. Copy, paste, profit. It's really that simple. Really that simple. Pairs, guys, and we have a whole slew of systems, tools and systems to help you become profitable in the markets. All right, guys. So if you want more information, definitely contact one of my partners that invited you to see this information, or contact me directly if you're just browsing online and you happen to come across this video, or if I invited you personally to see this video, just get back to me, okay, if not one of my partners that invited you to see this information. So guys, I hope this was very helpful in explaining how the Swipe Trades app and how the Swipe Coin app works. Very, very simple.